Did you know that you can now open and edit PDF files directly inside WhatsApp? You no longer need to download the PDF, open another application, make your changes, and upload it again. With WhatsApp's new Adobe Acrobat integration, you can read a PDF, highlight important information, underline text, draw on the document, and send the updated file back to the same conversation. In this video, I'll show you how to use this new feature step by step. Before we begin, please note that this feature is currently designed for WhatsApp Web and WhatsApp on Windows. It may not appear inside the WhatsApp mobile application yet. Now, let's get started. First, open a web browser on your computer. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or another modern browser. In the address bar, type web.whatsapp.com and press enter. You should now see a QR code on your computer screen. Next, take your phone and open WhatsApp. If you are using an Android phone, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then, select Linked Devices. Now, tap Link a device. Scan the QR code displayed on your computer. Wait a few seconds, and your WhatsApp conversations will appear on the computer. Now, open a conversation containing a PDF document. If you don't have one, you can ask a friend to send you a PDF or send a test document to one of your conversations. Find the PDF message and click its preview. With the new feature enabled, the document should open directly inside the WhatsApp conversation. You will not need to download it first. You can scroll through the pages, zoom in, zoom out, and read the entire document without leaving WhatsApp. This also works with password-protected PDF files. If the file is protected, enter the correct password when asked. Now, let's edit the PDF. Look for the markup toolbar around the top of the PDF viewer. The exact position of these buttons may look slightly different depending on your WhatsApp version. Select the drawing tool if you want to circle something or add a handwritten mark. Choose the highlighting tool to highlight important words, sentences, or sections. You can also use the underline tool to emphasize text without covering it. If the document contains old or incorrect information, select the strike-through tool and mark that text. For example, you can highlight an important price on an invoice, underline a deadline on an assignment, or circle something that needs to be corrected. After adding your changes, review every page and make sure everything looks correct. When you are finished, use the sharing or sending option shown inside the PDF viewer to send the updated document back to the same WhatsApp conversation. The other person can then open the revised version directly from the chat. If you need more powerful tools, look for the option called Edit in Acrobat. This option gives you access to advanced Adobe Acrobat features. Depending on your account, you may be able to edit document content, organize pages, add a signature, apply password protection, or use Acrobat's AI tools. Keep in mind that some advanced tools require an Adobe Acrobat subscription. However, simple markup tools such as highlighting, drawing, underlining, and striking through text are available directly through the new WhatsApp PDF experience. If the PDF still downloads normally instead of opening inside WhatsApp, don't worry. First, refresh WhatsApp Web and try again. You can also update the WhatsApp Windows application through the Microsoft Store. This feature can save time when reviewing assignments, invoices, forms, contracts, and other important documents. If this guide helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.